Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload a website to a live server. So this is the website I built. This looks like a classified ICE website. It has three different kinds. The host we choose is called pythonanywhere because it can allow you to upload a website for free. I think the first thing we need to do is we need to clone the GitHub repository to our hosting server. Let's do that. So before that, we already connect the SSH to GitHub. Type the clone method to clone the GitHub repository to the website. And let's find our. So be careful to choose SSH here, since it's a private repository. Okay, let's get that. Good. It looks so. Let's go see files. See, to change the environment variable to our. Now what we need to do is to create a database. Let's enter our database name. Let's just call it default. Okay, let's create virtual environment called my virtual environment. So basically, virtual environment it can isolate your environment from the rest of the environment. Okay, now let's activate it. And let's install the packages specified in the requirement.txt. Okay, let's type the command to install. Great. Now we already have the environment or the packages. Let's go to let's create a flask, since we're using flask, and we choose Python 3. Choose the route. First, let's edit this wsgi file. Let's try put it here. Great. Now we can go to the website. You can see